Imagine preparing for your IELTS test in a captivating virtual world where learning becomes an immersive adventure. Welcome to Q8 Metaverse. Ready to embark on this innovative journey? Simply download the Q8 Metaverse app on your mobile and get ready to enter a new dimension of test prep. Once you've registered, your personalized login will unlock the gateway to virtual learning. Put on your VR headset and prepare to be transported to the vibrant world of Q8 Metaverse. Welcome, future doctor. Would you prefer to prepare for the academic or general IELTS test? And what medical specialization sparks your interest? A passionate. Explore these detailed medical models and gain in-depth knowledge with our interactive explanations. Time to assess your mastery. This proficiency test will evaluate your skills in your chosen specialization. Let's get to know you better. With Q8 Metaverse, learning for the IELTS test is no longer just preparation. It's an unforgettable experience. Take control of your future and explore the endless possibilities of virtual education. Start your journey today. Brought to you by the British International Group, BIG, a leading AI technology company dedicated to making education accessible and engaging. Q8 Metaverse is just one example of our commitment to revolutionizing learning. Join us and experience the future of education where innovation meets success.